Regina asks, how do you discipline yourself to be a better rider with a busy schedule on a regular basis?
You know, if you're serious, you just have to make time. You have to put a schedule together and you have to stick to it. You know, I mean, if everybody's busy, work it out with your horse trainer, put your cell phone down, things like that, but don't let everyday life get in your way of doing this. Make it part of your schedule that you live by. And just remember, the non-pros that ride are the non-pros that win.